Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video we are talking about Zerodha Streak. So this is a platform where you can code your intraday trading strategies and everything. Okay, so what happens is in this you can code your strategy for buy and sell for any script, so that will scan your stock and that will only buy and sell. Okay, so that this is how it works. So I'll be talking about all these things in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to understand what is Zerodha Streak. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to the stock market, if you're having loss in the stock market, if you want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money consistently in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide an and M6 trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so all the details in my blogspot, that the link is in the description below. Okay, and also you can see the earning proof by my client after taking the course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly. You can see all these things with the proof in my blogspot. You can watch all this ledger proof. Only if you guys trust us and if you believe us, you can definitely join us now to make money constantly like this. And also here you can see feedback messages from my clients after taking the course. So these are the feedback messages what I got from my course. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join us to make money constantly, you can definitely join us now. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about what is Zerodha Streak. Okay, so Zerodha Streak, so Algo trade without coding. So you don't need to do any coding for this. You can do very simple and very easily. So I'll be showing you how to create it also in few minutes. Okay, so Algo on the go. So you can also do it in your phone. You can just have to install the app. Okay, so once you install the app in your phone only, you can do your Algo trading and coding and all the things. Okay, and also you can create it as I said, you can create your own codes for this, and also you can backtest it instantly, and also you can deploy it, and also you can get notified of whatever the code you have done. Okay, and also this is not free for Zerodha. You should pay. It's a platform by Zerodha, but you should pay for it. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the plans. Okay, so basic plans, premium plan and ultimate plan. Okay, so these are the money what you should pay. So here are all the details, you can check for it. Okay, and now I'll be showing you how you can create it. Okay, so actually as I said you, this is only 7 days free trial what we get. So my free trial is over, so I'll be showing you how to just do it. So once you click on create, this is how it looks. Okay, so now you can add your any of the script whatever you want to add. So let's add something, and like you can change the which hour chart you are looking for, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 or 1 hour. So then you can select buy position, you want a sell position, and enter the quantity whatever you want to trade on, and then you can add your indicator. Okay, so you can add your indicator and all the things like MACD signal, like how you want, like you, if it's higher than buy or lower than sell or anything. You can add conditions also, and you can also add the exit conditions, like how you want the, when you want your trade to be exited and when you want trade to be entered, everything can be done. And you can also name your Algo. Okay, so once you do that, you can go to the backtest and you can backtest your strategy for live. So I just simply created few things and I've just backtested for this. So I backtested for few stock and this is how it looks. Okay, so it will point out what are the things you have done. Okay, so how it performs for all the day. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is a streak what it looks like. Okay, so this is just for coding your strategy. So for to do this, actually you need to learn coding and all the stuff, but this is very simple. By streak you don't want to learn the coding. Okay, you just have to enter how when you should enter, what condition you should enter, and at what condition you should sell the stock. So by that it will get executed. Okay, you can go inside it and find there are a lot of things here. Okay, and you can just explore on your own. So this is just a little bit of educational video what I felt like doing for you guys. So hope this was helpful for you. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.